Okay, dear student, good morning. Uh, Today, very first lecture of Science 1. In Science 1, first chapter, first topic is motion. Motion means what? A movement of object or a displacement of object means the object moves from its original position. Motion are not only of single type, different example they have given. First example they have given, flying of bird. Bird is flying, moving from one place to another place. First example of motion. Second, moving train on a track in a straight line, it is moving. That is also motion. The broken leaves, suppose the air is more, it will travel in this way, up, down, or suppose outside air pressure is very less, so it will fall down. Stone laying on a hill, from the hill or from the terrace, suppose you will drop the stone, it will move. Now, when you are in the train and you are observing outside, at that time you will find in opposite direction all the objects are moving, but opposite. When you are out, you will find the train is moving. Actually train is moving, but when you are in the train you will find the objects are moving. So according to the observer, when you are inside, outside objects are moving. When you are outside the train is moving. So on both the position you are finding, you are observing, you are experiencing both the side, same thing. Displacement, movement, motion of the object. Now, what is a displacement and distance? We have to compare displacement and distance. Some examples are given. A, it is given A. Suppose it is like this farm is there. From here A is there. From here B is there. So direct from A to B. And there are 3 homes. This much is 130 meter. This much is 300. Suppose from this home to this home you have to travel. So the distance you have to travel 500 meter. From this to this you have to travel 1200 meter. Not from here to here. So 500, 1200, 1700. But if you will travel direct, it will be 1300. So this distance is less compared to wire. it is in a rectangle form, so it is not a straight line. It is a straight line, then again straight line in two direction. Here one direction, one straight line, so shortest the distance. Now these are the example of straight line, straight movement. Now second, object is moving in a circular way. Fan, grinder, washing machine, motor, these are moving in a circle. Arms of clock. Who? Then car. Moving this way also, this way also. So don't send message. Now car from here to here, here to here. Suppose it is 360 meter. When it comes here, again it comes here. So it's original position. So going distance 360 meter, coming distance 360 meter. Now say yes. Mute your mic. Now, what is the difference between distance and displacement? Displacement is the difference in initial and final position, where the distance is the actual difference between 2 points. So distance you can measure this way also, this way also. So distance this plus this, total 720, but the displacement is 0. So displacement is a vector, but distance is a scalar. For distance, side or the direction we don't need. In a displacement, direction, it is very important. Units are same, okay, but displacement is a vector, distance is a scalar. Then from that to only speed and velocity. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Velocity, it is displacement divided by time. Now try to understand the definition of both. Speed, it is a distance covered in a unit time. Distance covered in unit time. Velocity, displacement per unit time. Distance per unit time, that is speed. Displacement per unit time, it is velocity. Both are meter per second, meter per second. These are meter second, meter second, meter per second. How much meter per how much second? Student, don't enter in between. You are disturbing me. So velocity is a displacement taken in unit time. Speed is a distance traveled within unit time. Like that, both are different. This is scalar, no direction required. It is vector, direction is required. So both definition, both formula and unit, that and in the distinguished you can write direction. In displacement, direction is must. In distance, direction is not required. From A to B or B to A, the distance will be equal, but the displacement, if it is in a clockwise, it is like we are taking positive in opposite side. Whose mic is on? Next, for this they have taken, for this it is given 5 minutes, for this they have given 24 minutes, for this they have given 29 minutes, and this total 1200 plus 500, it is 700. At that time it is given minute. Now this is A part, this will be a B part, this will be a C part. Now 500 meter in 5 minutes. So this speed is equal to distance by time. So that is 500 meter by 5 minutes. So if you will cancel, you will get 100 meter per minute. And this 1200 meter 24 minutes. So 12 ones are 12 twos are half. So 50 minute per meter per minute. Okay, and this it is 1300 by 29. Okay, so this is around 4.4, 83 meter per minute. But overall this it is 700 divided by 29, that is 58.6 meter by minute. So see, 500 meter travel in 5 minutes, so per minute traveling 100, here per minute traveling 50, here per minute traveling 44.883 meter. Very late students are coming, and from here to here total 700 in 29 minutes, so 58. So you can find out where the speed is highest. Here is the highest. then second number this one, second, then third, then fourth. So distance travel per minute you can find out by velocity. Arey, whose mic is on again? In student, I said and I have sent the message that your DP should be very clear, not faltu. Why this gaming all are coming? Rubbish word. No, I am going to all to take all the screenshot and I'll send to the school and principal. After giving strict warning, you are doing this. You are sharing. Mic is on, video is on. What is this? Permanently I will block. See again. Effect of speed and direction on the velocity. Effect of speed and direction on velocity. If whose mic is on? First, what will be the effect on the velocity of the motorcycle if speed increase or decrease but its direction remain unchanged? Direction is not changing, but with the acceleration, speed is increasing, speed is decreasing. So when we increase the speed, velocity increase. When we decrease the speed, velocity decrease. Next topic. In case of a turning of road, the velocity and the speed be the same. If we take the turn, first no change in the direction in a straight way, but speed increase and decrease. Second, speed is not increasing, decreasing, but on a turning point, when you turn, direction change, so it affects the speed also. Third, on turning, such change the direction and the speed of the motorcycle. What will be the effect of the velocity? When we change the direction, speed also change. When we increase the velocity or decrease the velocity, speed also increase and decrease. If there is no change in the direction, then also we can increase or decrease the velocity. Changing the speed while keeping the direction same, velocity also increase, decreasing. Changing the direction while keeping the speed same, when the speed is same but changing the direction, velocity affects. Change the speed as well as the direction. When the direction and speed both are changed, velocity also will be changed. That with three pictures they have given. A motorcycle is going on a clear road, non-traffic road, straight. Then to the garden it is revolving. So speed will be remain same, direction will be changed at every moment. Now to comparison. Speed of sound 343 it is given, 340 meter per second. And light 3 lakh kilometer. 3 lakh kilometer, but 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second square. Meter per second, sorry. Now try to understand this. Sound and light both are traveling in the form of waves, in the form of ray. 2-3 examples are there, but try to understand the speed. When you will shout, or if the temple bell or a school bell will ring, it voice reach up to a certain level, certain area. Then after it will be decreased, slowly it will become zero. After that area, it is not audible. Light from sun, it reaches to the earth, lots of distance. Both are traveling. Sound produced by vibration. If you vibrate something, if you give a jerk, it vibrates, and because of the vibration, sound produced, and the sound spread in the waves. That is a sound wave. That speed of sound, on an average it is 340, but it is given exactly experimental 343.2 meter per second. Per second sound waves goes 343 meter, but ray of light, it travels per second 3 lakh kilometer, or 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter in 1 second. See this number and this number, large difference. Now how to prove that both speed are different? How to prove that both speed are in a large difference? During the rainy season, clouds collide with each other. Two things will produce: light and sound. But when it collides, immediately you will who is sharing the screen? Ansari Zahira, you leave the meeting. Ansari, these people know giving lots of trouble. Now how to search? Ansari Zarina. Rayan, leave it, because you are sharing. See, disturbing all class. I will take strict action. Okay, now when clouds collide, sound also produce, light also will produce. But the speed of light is very heavy to heavy compared to the sound. So when we see in the sky, first you will find the lightning. Then after the fraction of the second, we will hear the sound. By the collision, both will produce at a time, sound and light. But we will observe light first, then sound, because this speed is more. Both are running from same place, but whose speed is more, it will come first. So light comes first to our eyes, so we can see. Again mic and camera on. Count how many times I am telling. Count. That is why I need one host who can manage this. Anyone know who are interested, then call me, okay? So you have to leave all this, remove all this, because by writing, by managing all the things, I can't handle in and out and who is sharing, whose mic is on, whose camera is on. Now, both are producing at a time, at a single place. But whose speed is more, it will come first. So light speed is more, that is why we are. Arey Ansari Zavira, yaar, shit. You are mad or what? How many times I have taken your name? Riyan, leave it. Leave the meeting fast. Riyan, leave the meeting fast. Mic off. Whose mic is on? Whose mic is on? Ansari, leave, I said. Ansari Zarina, where is Ansari Zarina? अरे माइक बंद करो. माइक बंद करो. बंद कर. अरे तो यू लीव इट. You leave the meeting. 100 times I speak. I said leave the meeting. अरे still you are presenting. No, I'll report to the principal. 100 times. All things are recorded. All the things are recorded in my mobile or in my laptop. Again you are representing. Leave it, I said. Leave, leave. Leave, I said. Riyan Ansari, leave, I said. Leave, I said. Leave. Permanently you are dismissed. Meet principal today only. I said leave. This is all recording. I said leave, I said. I said leave. I said leave. अरे अरे मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है इसमें. आई एम सर्चिंग. कौन है वो कल से वो चाहिए नहीं मुझे. 1 minute. अरे but I am doing 1 minute. उसकी बराबर प्रॉपर आइडेंटिटी है ना, मुझे भेजो. दैट इज वाई आई नीड वन हेल्प ऑफ वन स्टूडेंट. वो ऐसा वाला नहीं चाहिए, एकदम परफेक्ट चाहिए. फिर आप भी ऐसा ही करोगे, कल टाइम बी में भी ऐसा होगा. ओके नाउ विद इन 2 minutes बिकॉज नो योर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर इज ऑल्सो देयर. ओके, स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इज 343 मीटर पर सेकेंड एंड द स्पीड ऑफ वो उसका जो आईडी है और उसका जो खुद का नाम है वो मुझे एक मैसेज करके मेरे मोबाइल पे भेजो. मैं सब टीचर्स को बोलूँगा इसको डिपार्ट करो. हाँ, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज मोर, स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इज लेस. दैट्स वाई व्हेन लाइटनिंग्स हैपन वी कैन सी द लाइट फर्स्ट देन साउंड. एग्जैक्टली सेम. अभी भी किसी का माइक चालू है. At a distance, when crackle fires, we can observe light first, then sound. So this is because of difference in the speed. Both produce at a time, both generate at a time, at a same time. Sound and light in a crackles, in a lightning, colliding of the clouds. इसका नंबर भी भेजो. हाँ बच्चा, मुझे अंसारी जरीना, उसका आईडी नेम, उसका खुद का नेम, उसका नंबर, प्लीज़ इतना भेजो आज. अगर आपको कल से डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना है तो भेजना. कल से और इतनी ही मज़ा लेनी है आपको, पढ़ना नहीं है और ये सब मज़ा करनी है तो मत भेजना. और मुझे ऐसा चाहिए कि जो एकदम स्ट्रिक्ट रहे और जो माइक ऑन करे उसको निकाल दे, स्क्रीन शेयर करे उसको ऑन द स्पॉट निकाल दे. मुझे ऐसा होस्ट चाहिए, फालतू वाला हॉस्ट नहीं चाहिए. तो देख, पहले मुझे मैसेज भेजो ये कौन है करके, आज का आज उसकी बराबर देखो पनिशमेंट लेता हूँ मैं. ओके, नाउ आई थिंक वी हैव नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. एट व्हाट टाइम यू हैव द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर? 8:45. No, leave because my also mood is not there. Leave it because I am highly disturbed. I can't. So you send me the message, and who are interested, you please send me the message, and I want this ID, mobile number and name. Please send fast.